episode of Elise's Eats, and today we are going to be making something so delicious and in honor of the most fabulous creation known to mankind. I'm talking about Darren Criss, of course, who happens to be born on the same day as the International Nutella Day. They are both fabulous. They are both amazing. Why am I wearing a Harry Potter top? Because it's totally awesome. Hashtag starkid. But yes, so I'm so excited because I just love Darren Criss, I love Nutella. So we're going to be making Nutella French Toast Rolls because of Nutella, and Darren Criss likes French food, but he also likes Mexican food and a whole lot of other things, so we're just gonna focus on French food. These are the ingredients you're going to need to get started. Okay, so you're going to need 8 slices of white bread with the crusts cut off. I'm just using regular sandwich bread here. So depending on what you want in your filling, I've got 1 large banana or 2 small bananas chopped up into small little bits, and about 5 or 6 strawberries cut up into small bits as well. You don't even have to add fruit, or you could do all strawberry or banana, just depends on your preference. 2 large eggs at room temperature, 1/4 cup of milk, 1 pinch of salt, 2 tablespoons of butter, 2/3 cup of caster sugar, or this is a very fine sugar, 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon, about 1 teaspoon of vanilla bean paste or vanilla extract, and then Nutella. You're going to be needing between 3/4 tablespoon to 1 tablespoon of Nutella per roll, so I'm using about 8 tablespoons of Nutella. So what we're going to do first is take a rolling pin and we're going to roll out our bread until it's nice and flat. Now this is very technologically advanced. Done.
If you're unsure, get a friend to help you.
And then just repeat with the remaining bread. Now that we've flattened our bread, what we're going to do is take our fabulous Nutella and we're going to spread it all around the delicious bread. I'm so excited. Now, it depends how much you like Nutella. Stupid question. But we're gonna put about a tablespoon all around it. If you don't like as much, you can go down to 3/4. Depends, like, because sometimes it can be a bit too sweet if there's fruit in it as well. But we're going a full tablespoon per slice. These are great because it's actually really simple to do. You can get kids to do this too. It's fun for all ages. Go Nutella! So now what we're going to do is we're going to fill 4 of these with cut up strawberries and 4 of these with cut up bananas, roll them up into little rolls, and then we're going to put them in our egg mixture, but we haven't made them yet. Okay, so now what we're going to do is make our egg mixture to roll our lovely rolls around in. So what we're going to do is put our egg, milk, a little bit of salt and vanilla bean paste into a bowl that can fit the whole of the roll. And then we're going to roll it around for a little bit and then fry it in some of the butter that we've got. We're done.
Yay!
So you're going to get one of your rolls. We're just going to roll it all around. Roll it around for about 10 seconds. And pick it up, let it drip, and put aside. And repeat with the remaining rolls. Now, my frying pan can only hold about 4 of these at a time. Make sure you only do this to the ones that you can fry straight away, otherwise they might go soggy. So I'm just gonna do 4 for now. As soon as they've been dipped in the egg mixture, let's fry them. Okay, so I've put in 1 tablespoon of our butter. Now you want to place them with the folded part of the bread on the base. And we're going to let these cook for between 3 to 4 minutes on each side until everything's golden brown. just what you want in French toast. It's perfect, like Darren Criss. There, get it? Because perfect. Sang it on Glee with Chris Colfer. No, okay, perfect. Okay, so while your rolls are frying, we're gonna make up our cinnamon sugar to roll them around because it's so good. So what we're gonna do is, pretty simply, just put our sugar and our cinnamon in a bowl and mix it. Cinnamon sugar. Get in your belly. Okay, now you want to take them straight out of the pan and roll them around in your cinnamon sugar. Now, you want to be careful because these are super mega foxy awesome hot and you do not want to burn your little fingers. Do not do it. And then just put aside on some paper towel. Okay guys, that's how you make my Nutella French Toast Rolls. They smell incredible. Flavia was drooling, so was I. And I hope that Darren Criss would be proud of these. So, don't you wish you could eat all these with your friends every single night? So that you're not alone. If they're not perfect, you're only human. So, get your suit and tie, because we're about to eat fancy and we like it. That was like 6 Darren Criss song titles in one sentence. Let's eat these fabulous beings dedicated to Darren Criss, and thank you Nutella for being in existence. I'm so keen to eat these because, oh my god, they smell so good. It's just like a great excuse, and it's really easy. Kids can help make it, so it's a great way to get them in the kitchen for a special Nutella day, also to celebrate Darren Criss. Let's go. Okay.
Darren, what do you think? It's totally awesome!
Is it really Darren?
Is it really Darren?
I wish he was here.
Alright,
no, okay, so we're actually going to try it now.
I'm so
we
excited.
cannot actually say if Darren Criss thinks these are delicious. We can only say if a printout version of them thinks they're delicious. So I say we try them.
Cheese.
I'm having banana.
I'm having strawberry.
Alright. Oh.
Oh my god.
Darren, you're right. Warm. It's all in your hand.
I know.
They're warm, they're perfect. That little bit of fruit is just gorgeous. The cinnamon sugar.
Yeah, because the fruit's like, because it's been heated up, it's like almost like dissolving. And it's just perfect. It is beautiful. I'm so happy.
To the gods of Darren Criss, thank you for existing.
And to
the gods of Nutella, thank you for existing. You're both super mega foxy awesome hot.
Hell yeah.
And we love it.
Yeah, we do. I totally forgot what that last sentence was.
Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. And if you want us to make any other food or recipes from anime, manga, TV shows, movies, games, let us know. Comment in the section below. Message us on social media. Talk to our faces. We're pretty friendly, so if you want to. But yeah, so see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.